Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the essential document which is required during the clinical trials. First, we are seeing what is the essential trials. As we know that the essential documents is a document that are the critical to evaluate the conduct of a clinical trial and the quality of the data produced. This document is a serve as a permanent record of the trials, and it should be filled in an organized manner to the facilitate the management of the trials. Now we are seeing the what type of the document which is required during the trials. During the course of the trials, there are certain types of the documents that must be gathered, including the updates and the amendments, monitoring report, and the data collection records. These documents are the outline in the GCP guidelines. Now we are seeing this one by one. First is the investigator brochure, the investigator brochure revisions. It should be updated periodically, especially to include the safety information. Any changes to the protocol, informed consent form, or a case report form must be approved by the sponsor or a CRO internally, and the new version should be clearly labeled as such. The second one is a new version of the IB protocol amendments, ICF, and the CRF, which is must be submitted to the regulatory authority and the R&D department, and the approval letter should be also filled. Now next we are seeing the CVs of the new staff members, which is must be collected, and the existing staff members CVs should be also updated. If there are any changes to the reference ranges, manuals, and the procedures of the laboratories or the investigational product, they must be recorded. The new certificate of the authorization must be filled. And next one is the source documents. In that, to document the existence of the subject and the substantial the integrity of the trial data also collected. To include the original documents related to the trial, the medical treatment history of the subject also needed. Subject, sign, date, and the complete case report format, that is CRF. In this document that the investigator or the authorized member of the investigational staff confirms the observational or observation records. Next one is the monitoring the visit records or reports and the monitoring logs. To ensure the proper monitoring of a clinical trial, it is important to maintain a log that record the date and the purpose of the each visit made to the trial site by the investigator or monitor or the CRA, that is the clinical research associated, or the sponsor or the CRO staff. The routine monitoring visit must include the checking the source of the data, discussing any issues or the difficulties with the site team, and the reviewing the complete CRF pages. The visits should be documented in the written and the review as specified in the monitoring plan. Next one is a serious adverse event reports. In the event of the serious adverse event, that is SAE, the investigator must report to the sponsor or the CRO immediately within the 24 hours of the becoming aware of it. This includes the follow-up reports and any related correspondence. Additionally, all the other investigators involved in the trial must be informed about the SAE. Next one is the screening and the enrollment logs. To keep the track of all the potential trials participants, a log should be maintained. This log should be recorded all the subjects who were the screened for the potential inclusion in the trial. The enrollment log and the study identification code, it lists the record of all the subjects taking part in the trial, and however these documents must remain at the trial site. Now next one is a signature sheet. It is a document that record the signatures and the essential site of the team member authorized to make the correction to the CRF. However, it is now more common to use a delegation sheet, and this sheet incorporates the signatures and the initial of the site staff along with the duties they are authorized to perform. The delegation sheet must be include the new members of the site team as the trial progresses and the date when the team members leave the project. It's all about the document which is essential during the clinical trials. Thank you.